Your teacher might have you work on an essay and have you edit a peer or another student's essay. And so you don't want to change their document, you just want to offer suggestions for editing. So to do that, in the upper right-hand corner, change editing to suggesting. That will highlight it in green. Make sure you're in suggesting. So let's say I've read through this essay and I would like to offer some editing changes. Let's look at this sentence. It's almost like they're invisible. Well, the student accidentally used the wrong use of the word there. So I'm going to highlight it and make the suggestion. Okay? So now the suggestion, it crosses out the improper use and it offers an editing. And so when the other student opens their document, they will see the suggestion here. You need to replace there with they are. And then the student can either accept the suggestion or reject it. So I'm going to accept this suggestion. Now it automatically updates that edit. And that's how you make a suggestion in Google Docs.